to give you another example right here. Ivan wants to save up monies to buy a smartphone, so he babysits on the weekends. There's a proportional relationship between the time Ivan spends babysitting in hours and the amount of money he earns babysitting. So basically, if he starts working an hour, he's going to receive money. If he works 2 hours, he's going to receive, the double of that amount. And he works for 3 hours, he's going to receive the triple of that amount. So basically, that's exactly what it's explaining to you. So we are going to be writing an equation. Remember, the equation should look like this, a proportional relationship equation, okay? So how are you going to get this number? Well, you're just going to divide y by the x, y divided by x. So you choose a number, 5, 1, you do in, you do out, 5 divided by 1 equals a 5. All right, so right here, you're going to put in a 5 and a lowercase x. Then you're going to submit, and that is going to be your answer. Okay, all of the questions pretty much look the same. Right here, it's going to be a little bit different when you go higher in the level. As a math teacher, Flores frequently makes photocopies of fun activities for her students to do. When the copies come out of the copy machine, they form a stack. This table shows the relationship between the number of copies in the stack and the height in millimeters of the stack, which is a y. According to the values on the table, does x and y have a proportional relationship? How do we know if there's a proportional relationship here or not? Well, basically, all you need to do is you're going to divide each one of these numbers, and they all need to give you exactly the same amount, okay? If there is a number that is not matching with the other ones, that is not a proportional relationship, okay? So let's do this. You have 1 y divided by x, so 1 divided by 25, it's 1/25. And then 2 out of 50, whoops, 2 out of 50, does it reduce to 1 out of 25? Yes, if you divide by 2. So this one is also 1/25. So check and check. And then the next one, 3 out of 75. So if you divide by 3, do you get 1/25? Yes, you do. And then the next one, you have 4 out of 100. So you have 4 out of 100. If you divide by 4, you get 1 out of 25. So they all have the same rate. That means it is proportional. And then what is going to be the equation? Well, 1 out of 25. 1 out of 25 with x. And there you have it. That's exactly how we're going to do this lesson. Thank you and good luck.